I was shocked when I read the Bible. Israel ate a spiritual bread and they drank in the rock. That rock was Christ. That rock accompanied them in the wilderness. This rock that was on the cross, they took it, they put in the rock, they take a stone, they close the rock, they take soldiers, they put them next to the rock of the tomb. They are watching. Something was telling them that rock was not enough. Now my Bible says that the rock that was rejected by the builders became a chief cornerstone. You are not hearing what I'm saying. They took the rock of old ages, they locked it inside the rock. The Bible tells me that little to say, from the beginning of the earth, when my soul is faint, lead me to the rock that is higher than I, the rock that is Christ. I am here to tell you today that the angel of the Lord has came that morning and rolled the rock and sat on the rock. Whatever was the barricade closing Jesus, was now the angel was sitting upon it. I don't know why you are here. There is a rock that is closing your way, that is closing your career, that is closing your family. But there is the angel of Elohim that is rolling that rock and that is about to sit upon it.